Hello guys, today we got the 52-inch Hollywood aristocrat, I think is how you pronounce it. I got this brand new box a month ago. You saw this unboxing the other day. Finally got one testing it. I had so much shit to do, other shit to test before I got this one. So yeah. I put balls in it and it was the angle was it was sexy. If I ever had a mom house, I wouldn't mind putting this above my dining room, kitchen table or something like that. So shoot your foot the light. Yes, I got a tripod. I got a light on it, so I thought this with the tripod light on the video because I could see the part. Because when the light's on, you can't even tell the tripod light's on, so I like that so it don't bother it. And when it's on high, so if the light, you can actually see it. So yeah, turn the light back on. That's both poles. As it's the older version. You saw the unboxing, so you want to see the box, you can see it there. I'll show close up the main window, closer. Turn the low. So over here, tic-tac in the background, I do have a clock in here. Guys, I'm gonna mix bird noises with too. Because it's a big clock, it does it every hour. But I don't think I'll do this video. I might though. It's got 12 minutes until it's done. So it depends on how long this video is. Fuck off the Instagram notification. It's gonna ring like 12. It's kinda slow, but it's not really. It blows a lot of air because we're just steeply pitched. I said it might be 14-degree pitch, maybe 15. But it's a good steep pitch through 100 degrees. Did the both man? I just put this up with 2 minutes ago. Maybe a half hour ago. But you get the idea. So I keep hitting my hand on the side by his pole. She might have to do that. Medium. Congrats, medium. Getting air from my body. I'm outside the doorway. It's not that far away, but you know. I'm about 8 feet away from it. I still feel meal. So this will go down a large room or palm, I think. It's be good for bringing a table because it's not as powerful as the Casablanca. And when you're not fan about the table, sometimes you don't want too much air because you don't want your food getting cold. So you want a lot of air, but you want too much air. This be good fan for that location. This be cool for like a big master bathroom or closet or something. We'll go high now. If I hit me on the silver potion one more fucking time. Those wall won't make me high a little bit. That's alright. Squeaking my box. I try to bounce it. I'm not gonna put bouncing oil on it because I'm gonna put it back in its box. I'm not too fucking bounce. Squeaking my box. Getting a good breeze in my legs, huh? I'm still at least 10 feet or 15 feet from it. I felt it all the way out here, so to go down watching the phone, we sound that you get a solid breeze. So 2 foot watching now. Today, this decent lighting. I'm gonna advise this when we, have a family. No way, probably don't want to call guys with you. I don't know yet. We'll figure out when I get family light. It shows the brass really well though. Ain't gonna lie. With this window, I'll be right back. I got this one. It's stuck, guys. I hope you guys won't run too long. Because, I always do this, you guys. I swear. I'll leave the fans spend the hour wait to do something. Yeah. I've always so set up my room more quickly for bed. So after this video's over, I can take my medicine, take my piss, and go the fuck to sleep. That clock might go off in the video. We'll find out, won't we? So in 9 minutes long. This don't take as long to upload as used to. And my phone lets me do like 3-minute videos now. It's only let me upload like 15-minute videos. The best, it's definitely slow, but slow things have done that noticed that lately. Like I said, 4 minutes. I'm at my doorway. I forgot my come off because it bounces off the walls, down the walls. Hi. Yes, in the door, I live with solid bleeds. go like 4 minutes until the clock goes off. So we'll see if it goes off on the video. That's cool. It's not cool. Sure, too, but the wait for the night. Alright. Okay. So this one's gonna get you close up. Let's see what looks like that. Fuck. Sorry, guys.